Sorry about earlier.
Apology refused.
We weren't able to settle our differences. Chlorine and I didn't make up. It might be too late for things to go back to the way they were.